Rakesh Kumar, lecturer in Department of Sociology, SKJ Law College, Muzaffarpur. Today, again I am attending Pre-Law Part 1 class, which is available in online system of the electronics media. The topic is same, the family. In previous classes, I have already taught you the types of family on the basis of number. Today, we will go through, I will teach you types of family on the basis of lineage or ancestor, types of family on the basis of power and or authority, types of family on the basis of marriage, and types of family on the basis of residence. So I am writing few lines on blackboard that will help you in your self-study. The types of family, types of the family on the basis of family on the basis of lineage or ancestor. It is of two types. It is of two types. First one is patrilineal family system. Patrilineal family. Second one is matrilineal family. Matrilineal family. First I will explain what is patrilineal family system. Patrilineal family system is that type of family system in which all the lineage system of the members is decided on the basis of the lineage of the male member of that family. And this type of family is available in our country. In our country, all the lineage of the coming members is decided on the basis of the male member of the family. Now, second one is matrilineal family system. Matrilineal family system is that type of system in which all the lineage system of the family members, coming family members, is decided by the female members of the family, your mother, grandmother, etc. The first one, पितृशतात्मक परिवार, पितृवंशीय परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जिसमें वंश की परंपरा पुरुषों के वंश के नाम से चलता है, उसको हम पितृवंशीय परिवार कहते हैं। और इस प्रकार का परिवार हमारे भारत में देखने को मिलता है। मातृवंशीय परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जिसमें वंश की परंपरा महिलाओं, फीमेल मेंबर्स के नाम पर चलता है, लाइनेज से चलता है। और इस तरह की परिवार बहुत सारे जो हमारे अनुसूचित जनजातीय परिवार हैं उनमें देखने को मिलता है, और जहाँ मातृशतात्मक परिवार है वहाँ भी देखने को मिलता है। और इस तरह हमने नाउ दिस वे आई हैव ऑलरेडी कंक्लूड what types of family on the basis of the lineage or ancestor. Next one, types of family, types of the family on the basis of power or authority. Power or authority. Again, it is of two types. Again, it is of two types. First one is patriarchal family, or the second one is matriarchal family. Patriarchal family is that type of family in which all the power is indulged in the hand of the male member of that family. Only his male member of the family is a decision maker of members of the family. When we are talking about the education of the members of the family, only male member will take decision where we have to provide admission of our children, in which we have to send our children. When we are talking about the marriage, where we have to, in which family we have to settle the marriage. When we are talking about the purchase of the property or the sale of the property, that is also decided by the male member of the family. And about the house making, which type of house we have to make, where we have to make, etc. These all type of the decision is taken by the male members of the family. And during taking decision of the any field, they have to also consider in their mind that what our constitution is telling. When we are going to sell the marriage of the people, we have to think about our Indian constitution, in which what is the marriageable age of the members of the family. So we have to take decision on the basis of our Indian constitution. So this way, this is called the matriarchal family system and the patriarchal family system. पितृशतात्मक परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जिसमें सत्ता पुरुष के हाथ में होती है। सारा निर्णय पुरुषों के द्वारा लिया जाता है। बच्चों की शिक्षा से संबंधित हो, बच्चों के विवाह से संबंधित हो, किसी संपत्ति का खरीद बिक्री करने से संबंधित हो, किसी मकान को बनाने से संबंधित हो, कहाँ बनाना है, क्या करना है, नहीं करना है, कितना सेव करना है, ये सब डिसीजन पुरुषों के द्वारा लिया जाता है। उसी तरह इसके अपोजिट में मातृसत्तात्मक परिवार में पूरी सत्ता माँ के हाथ में होती है, यानी कि माँ का कहने का मतलब महिलाओं के हाथ में होती है और सारा डिसीजन महिला के द्वारा लिया जाता है। जो उसमें एल्डर होते हैं, हेड ऑफ दी होते हैं, उनके द्वारा लिया जाता है। शिक्षा कहाँ होगी, किस बच्चे की क्या किस क्षेत्र में भेजना है, कहाँ शादी, किस परिवार में शादी करना है, किसको कौन सा काम बांटना है, संपत्ति का बेचना, खरीदना, ऑल डिसीजन, ऑल जितने भी निर्णय हैं, ये सब महिलाओं के द्वारा लिया जाता है और उसकी ही सत्ता उस परिवार में होती है। और इस तरह मातृसत्तात्मक परिवार और पितृसत्तात्मक परिवार को मैंने हिंदी माध्यम से भी समझाने का काम किया है, क्योंकि हमारे कक्षा में बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे हैं जो इंग्लिश मीडियम हैं, हिंदी मीडियम हैं। मैं चाहता हूं कि दोनों ही विद्यार्थियों को, दोनों ही माध्यम के विद्यार्थियों को संतुष्ट कर सकूं, ताकि आने वाले एग्जामिनेशन में उनको कोई दिक्कत न हो। नाउ अगेन आई एम जस्ट प्रोसीडिंग फॉरवर्ड that types of family on the basis of marriage. Types of family on the basis of marriage. Types of the family on the basis of marriage. Types of family on the basis of marriage is of, actually it is of two types. Monogamous family, monogamous family और polygamous family. Polygamous family. Monogamous family and polygamous family, यानी कि एक विवाहित परिवार और मोनोगेमस फैमिली को क्या कहते हैं, एक विवाहित परिवार, और पॉलीगेमस फैमिली को कहते हैं बहुविवाहित परिवार। पॉलीगेमस फैमिली इज अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट, पॉलीजाइनी फैमिली, पॉलीजाइनस फैमिली, family and polyandrous family. Polyandrous family. Polygynous family and polyandrous family. Polyandrous family is again divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. Fraternal or adelphic polyandrous family. And दूसरा non-fraternal or non-adelphic polyandrous family. So this way, on the basis of marriage, there is all types of the family. First one is monogamous family. Second one is polygamous family. Polygamous family is divided into polygynous family and polyandrous family. Polyandrous family is divided into two parts: fraternal or adelphic polyandrous family, or second one, non-fraternal or non-adelphic polyandrous family. I will explain one by one. There is so many types of the family on the basis of marriage. In some family there is arranged marriage system. In some family there is love marriage system. In some family there is intercaste marriage system. In some family there is hypogamy family system. In some family there is surrogate marriage family system. There is levirate marriage family system. There is senior surrogate family system. There is junior surrogate. There is so many types of the family. So, on the basis of the marriage. So, monogamous family is a that type of family where there is presence of one husband and one wife at a time. One wife at a time. That is called इसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में वन हस्बैंड प्लस वन वाइफ लिखते हैं. इसको लिखने से पहले when you are going to write these all things in your copy and in answer sheet of your examination, in note you have to write down O4 1, H4 husband and W4 wife. At the corner of any copy you have to write these all things. So it will help in just understanding what is monogamous family system. ये एक विवाही परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जिसमें एक पति और उसकी एक पत्नी हुआ करते हैं एक समय में. उसको हम कहते हैं monogamous family, and this type of family is available in our country, in Hindu family. Polygamous family system is a that type of family system in which there is presence of many wife plus many husband at a time. That is called polygamous family system. You have to write here M for many. Polygamous family system is that type of family system in which there is presence of many wife plus many husband at a time. And this type of family is available in our Muslim community. There is one husband and four wife, more than four wife. There is one wife and so many husband. So this type of the family is recognized under the polygamous family. Polygamous family is again divided into polygynous family and polyandrous family. Polygynous family is a that type of family where there is presence of one husband and many wives at a time. At a time, that is called polygynous family. यानी कि बहुपत्नी विवाही परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जिसमें एक पति के बहुत सारी पत्नियां एक समय में हुआ करती है, और इस तरह के परिवार प्राय मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी में देखने को मिलता है, और इसी को हम कहते हैं बहुपत्नी विवाही परिवार. यानी पोलीगेमस फैमिली इज दैट टाइप ऑफ फैमिली सिस्टम. पोलीगेमस फैमिली, polygynous family system is that type of family system in which there is presence of one husband and many wives at a time. That is called polygynous family system. Polyandrous family system is that type of family system where there is presence of many wives and one husband. Sorry, one wife plus many husband. यानी कि एक पत्नी और उसके बहुत सारे अगर पति होते हैं तो वैसे परिवार को हम कहते हैं पोलीएंड्रस फैमिली सिस्टम, यानी कि बहुपति विवाही परिवार. और अगेन आई एम जस्ट गिविंग explanation about the polyandrous family. That polyandrous family system is that type of family system in which there is presence of one wife and many husbands at a time. That is called polyandrous family system. Now, polyandrous family system is again divided into two parts: fraternal or adelphic polyandrous family. It is that type of family where there is presence of one wife and many husbands. Husband may be a own brother. Husband may be a own brother. यानी कि बहुपति विवाही परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जिसमें एक पत्नी के बहुत सारे पति होते हैं और पति आपस में सगे भाई होते हैं, तो ऐसे परिवार को हम कहते हैं बहुपति विवाही परिवार. What we will tell that fraternal or adelphic polyandrous family system is that type of family system where there is presence of one wife and many husbands at a time, and husband may be a one brother. That type of family is recognized as a fraternal or adelphic polyandrous family system. What is non-fraternal or non-adelphic polyandrous system? Non-fraternal or non-adelphic polyandrous family system is that type of family system where there is presence of one wife and many husbands, and in this type of the family, husband may not be a own brother. Husband may not be a own brother. इस तरह हम कहते हैं कि बहुपति विवाही परिवार उस परिवार को कहते हैं जिसमें एक पत्नी के बहुत सारे पति होते हैं, अब पति आपस में सगे भाई नहीं होते हैं, तो उस तरह के परिवार को हम क्या कहते हैं? अभ्रातृ बहुपति विवाही परिवार. Now this way I have already given explanation of types of the family on the basis of marriage. Now I am just writing and giving explanation about the types of family on the basis of the residence. Types of family on the basis of a residence. So again, the types of family on the basis of residence is of so many types. On the basis of a residence, it is of so many types. Patrilocal family. Second one is matrilocal family. Again, third one, new local family. Again, fourth one is duo-local family and bi-local family. So this way, the main types of the family on the basis of residence is this one. The patrilocal family, matrilocal family, new local family, bi-local family. पैट्रीलोकल फैमिली जिसको पितृस्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं, मैट्रीलोकल जिसको मातृस्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं, न्यू लोकल जिसको नव स्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं, ड्यू लोकल द्विस्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं और बाइलोकल मातृ पितृस्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं. यानी कि पैट्रीलोकल फैमिली system is that type of family system in which after marriage groom take their wife to their father house, that is called patrilocal family system. Or this type of the family system is available in our country, our India, in our India, जिसको हम पितृ स्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं. इस परिवार में शादी के बाद पति अपने पत्नी को अपने पिता के घर ले जाकर रहने लगता है, तो उसको हम पितृ स्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं. Matrilocal family system is that type of family system in which after marriage bride take their husband, यानी bride take groom to their mother house is recognized as a matrilocal family system. यानी कि after marriage when wife take their husband to their mother house, that is called matrilocal system. Again, this type of the family is available in tribal community, different types of the tribe. This type of the family is available. Now, new local family is that type of family in which after marriage husband take their wife to new place where there is presence of neither nor their father and mother or nor other members of the family. After marriage, they set at a new place, in new house, that is known as where there is presence of husband and wife only, that is called new local family system. And nowadays, in this modern age, after the effect of modernization or westernization, in our country, new generation used to live in this type of the family. Now, do local family is a that type of family, जिसको हिंदी में हम दो स्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं. After marriage, husband used to live in the house of their father and their wife father house, both place. यानी कि sometimes they are living in their father house and sometimes they are living in the house of their wife mother house. That is called the local family system. I mean to say that sometimes in daytime they live in their father house and in night they used to go to their wife mother house. This is called the local family system. यानी कि द्विस्थानीय परिवार शादी के बाद पति अपने पिता के घर पर दिन में रहते हैं और रात्रि के समय में अपने पत्नी के माँ के घर पर जाकर रहने लगते हैं. और यह when the marriage is set nearby the both house, then it is possible. So this type of family is rare in our country also. Now, bilocal family system is that type of family system in which few months after marriage, husband used to live in their father house with their wife, and after some times they used to live with their house, their wife to their wife mother house. So this way they used to live in both houses. After some period they used to live here and after some times they used to live there. So this way both of them is living in the both family system. So this type of system of the family is recognized by local family system. यानी मातृ पितृ स्थानीय परिवार, यानी कि अपने पिता के घर पर भी रहते हैं कुछ समय के लिए, 2 महीना, 4 महीना, 6 महीना, और फिर कुछ समय के लिए लड़की के माँ के घर पर जाकर रहते हैं, और तब इस तरह के परिवार को मातृ पितृ स्थानीय परिवार कहते हैं. So this way today I finish the types of family on the basis of 5 basis of the type of family. In previous classes I have already taught you. So on the basis of number, on the basis of lineage or ancestor, on the basis of power and authority, on the basis of marriage, on the basis of residence. Today I finish types of family on the basis 5 basis of the types of the family. So I finish this topic. Tomorrow we will continue another part of this family chapter, and this chapter is very important for your coming examination. From this chapter there is more than 2 or 3 questions. 2 question full marks of 20 marks, and few part of this topic is available for the short notes. So thank you all of you, and today again when you are going for their self-study, write these all things which I taught you today in your copy and make one notes. When your college will open, the situation of whole world will become normal. We will meet with each other, and I will check your notes which you have written in this period. Thank you all of you.